raining today. It started raining like last night, so I didn't go up. I saw a bunch of cars going up though. I need to get new propellers for my drone, so I'm gonna see if I can find that. I might check out another Autobox to see if I can find what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a tire repair kit, just in case. Touch wood, you know. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I can feel at the back of my throat. That's why I've been chugging like these things. But yeah, I'll put my mask today just in case, and I can feel it in my nose too. Like it's starting to get stuffy. But what else? I'm just gonna eat in my car because it's raining and I don't want to go back to the hotel. I'm too lazy to go up and down. I got grilled salmon onigiri. Grilled salmon and tuna egg sandwich. Yeah, I'm gonna eat these in here. Hopefully I don't make a mess. And I'm gonna do that while I watch some TV. Yes, I know. Wait, it worked yesterday. What? Hey, what the hell? Oh shit. Come on. Hey. There we go. Hey.
これがちょっと下の方行くんですよね。あれこれ。はい。今見たところ群馬は多分なさそうなので。
ないですね。
多分このオンラインショップみたいなので買ってもらった方が早いかもしれないです。
はい、大丈夫です。ありがとうございます。Sad. No drone shots this trip anymore. 全部の店ありませんか？
ない。このやつはない。
はい。じゃあ大丈夫です。ありがとうございます。Sad. MX5 though. Damn, those are some shiny MKs. GTC01s, I think. Damn. But I want food. Maybe I'll check out a museum or something. I don't know. Okay, I think I figured how this works. So I think below like 10 kilometers. Oh my god, so pretty. I want to go there. What the hell? Okay, I think like below 10 kilometers per hour, you can watch the TV. When I'm normally driving above that, it's audio only. But still, like I'm at a traffic light right now. How is this legal? What the heck? This can't be legal, man. I thought Japan was safe. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off because it's actually really distracting. Go back to FM. items. Oh my god, this old lady. Oh my god. What? This is so cool. What? This is totally cool. I wonder if I can park my car and take a photo. Okay, I'm using the hack. Let me just close this. Alright. I don't even have my tripod with me. This is so pretty. No tripod. This is what I did. Okay. Alright. Damn, this is cool. Damn. This is so cool. Bloody hell. This is so aesthetic. By the way, the hack, you need to stop somewhere like quickly. Hazard lights. Everyone does it. Like for some reason, you're not allowed to park anywhere. But as soon as you put on the hazard lights, suddenly everything is okay. But yeah, I mentioned not to be in the way. I found so it's actually really narrow here. It's pretty much only for one car, but I managed to find like just one section where it's basically 2 lanes. Like a bunch of cars and people were doing it. So I just copied them. Yeah. I thought I wasn't gonna see cherry blossoms. So it is a win. This is a win. Dude, if it's still blooming here, that means there's a chance that the mountains are still, they'll be blooming in the mountains too, right? There'll be at least some, right? Like there's a chance now, right? There's a chance. Right. My hype levels are through the roof right now. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, that's such a cool shot if I can get it. Oh, damn it. Oh, it's so nice here. Alright,
Welcome to our museum.
Okay.
This is your ticket.
arigatou.
You can enjoy the painting and the cube be like this.
わかりまし
In
た。
the section.
はい。
It's
わ
part
かりまし
area.
た。
Okay?
はい、ありがとう。こんにちは。So I'm not painting this. This thing is too cheap. 240. Oh, that's so cool. That's sick. Oh my god. Wow. Dude, this bike. Yo. Oh, that's broken. Dude. These bikes are so cool. Holy crap, this is so aesthetic. Wow. cool. This is probably the closest I'm ever going to get to a real life 2000 GT. Damn. Oh, that's so cool. Some battery placement. Oh my god, no, I'm not ignoring that. Nope, I didn't see anything, Okay. In the war zone now? WTF? No, please, let me out. Let me out. Let me out. Oh, that's so difficult. I think I might just take a photo here. I just had some food. 20% off from the local supermarket. I saw the lady put a tag on. So 10 out of 10, we'll do it again. I've been running around trying to get replacement propellers. So my dumbass was playing with this last night, and long story short, I crashed it, and sorry, and the two propellers that were meant to be on this broke. Maybe you can see this. So I've been running around trying to get replacements, but there's none in Gunma, like, at all. I checked like all of the electronic stores nearby, and yeah. Unfortunately, I only had one spare. So I have one spare. Like, unfortunately, I have one spare. So it's better than nothing, right? So this is what I thought. I was like, okay, if I can't get a replacement, maybe I can do something with this, because this one's only like chipped off a little bit on top. So I got some super glue from Daiso, and I've got a bunch of plastic, and one day I'll get to use this. I knew this would come in handy, man. That's actually, where is it? Aha! I knew this would come in handy someday. I bought this in high school, and it's been with me every single trip, and I've never been able to use it. I got super glue, I got a file, and I've got a bunch of knives. I think I can cut up some of this plastic and then do one of these things, like what, you know, just like I always do with my plastic models, like all my Gundams and scaled caramels, etc. Right? I think I can patch this. So that's the plan right now. That's the plan.